How to fix Instagram login not loading. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if your login is not loading on Instagram. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If the login page on Instagram is not loading, now something that you can try is, first of all, make sure it's not the issue with your internet. So of course, if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, then what you can try to do is you can just long press the Instagram application on Android. Tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to your app information page, and this setting can be found on any Android device. Here, go to the option Storage Usage and Clear Cache, and make sure to clear its data. After that, go to your Play Store or your App Store and just search for Instagram app, check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now when you've done that, then you can open up Facebook and the login page should be able to load without any issues as long as you have a stable internet connection. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.